Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a little clip-on nightlight. So we're gonna give this thing a try, if I can get the plastic open on it. Okay, so here we go. Let's open it up together. So this is what you get here. It comes in this little package there. Comes with a little wrist strap with the little string on it so we can connect it up to it. Comes with a very short charging cable that is going to be USB to USB-C. So that's kind of cool. And then we have the little light here, the clip-on light. So let's open that up. Oh, it's already on. Okay, let's see. How do we do that? Okay, let's just check these out here. It's very, very bright. Okay, got it kind of figured out already. Okay, so we have the clip here, so we can clip it, but that's a strong clip. So I could clip it onto here, I could clip it onto my visor, clip it onto whatever I want, so it makes it easy so I can use this hands-free. And then on the side, you'll see, well, on this side, you'll see there is the charging port for the USB-C. And on this side here are the buttons. It looks like you could use that little wrist strap thing through the hole right there. So, and then you also have the clip as well. So on the top, we have the first button here. I'll push that one there. You can see it lights up just a white light at 2 levels of brightness, bright and brighter. Man, this is bright. Look at this. You can see it's probably already shining on the wall. And I have all the lights on. I have studio lights and everything, and it's on. Okay, and then the second light here is the, let's see, that one there is more of a, ooh, that's bright too. Look at that. Wow, 3. So that has 3 levels of brightness. There's this one that's kind of more of a, just a broad light. This one here is more of a spotlight. Yeah, definitely more of a spotlight. And then this third one is a red light. So that's always good. Ooh, and blue. And red and blue flashing. Boy, you can be a policeman. But look at that. I think that's red and blue. But here, but these are good for like night vision. Like if you're out camping and stuff and you don't want to wake everyone up and you don't want to just disrupt the whole place, you could use a light like that. And then the blue is kind of like an infrared kind of light as well. You can see it's totally doing that infrared stuff. So if you want to go to a rave, you could have that. So cool. And then that one there is the alternating ones, which is really cool too. So these are sweet. Sweet little, nice little light, and it's made out of like a metal housing on it and everything like that. So you can clip it on to whatever you want there to have the light going on that, or take it with you or connect it up to a car or something like that. And it is, one thing I do want to say too, is this is magnetic as well. So you could magnetize it to something. I don't think I have anything metal here. Let me see. Do I have anything? Is this? It's not metal. I don't have anything metal, but here I do have a little bit. This little tripod stand here. You can see it kind of connects up to that. It's the tiniest little metal spot there. But if you needed to connect it up to your car or something like that, to just magnetize it onto something to get some light, you could use that as well. So really cool, nice little versatile light. The clip-on nightlight. I totally recommend this one. This is a nice one. Thumbs up.